Welcome back, everybody, to the Crypto Traders Podcast. Today, we're going to talk about Kaspa and what JOMO think about Kaspa. Go, man.
Yes, sir. We're going to talk about Kaspa. It's been a while since we talked about it. We had a small pause, but the pause wasn't for nothing. Look, Kaspa broke that last all-time high above the 43, all right? Well, it's 4.3 cents, actually, and it made a move above it. As CM posted with the line, the horizontal line, that was the pivot breakout. That's when we started our entry, all right? We didn't start, actually. We just added to the position above that area and added even more above the last all-time high. So trade-wise, we made big bucks. But I want to talk about what's the future for Kaspa, because you know, guys, we love Kaspa. Kaspa is a money maker for us, but this time it disappointed just a little tiny bit, a small disappointment, because we really thought we might go to the 10 cents when we will break this all-time high, which we didn't, which means that Kaspa just needs a little bit more time. All right. Now, of course, you know, sometimes things can break down. If we break below the 44 cents, we need to rethink how it will look like. But right now, still bullish on how it will look. For me, CM, if you can paint it, we probably need to make a small VCP for about a week, maybe 2 weeks, moving sideways, all right? Exactly in that area. And that is called the cup pattern. Why a cup? Just like what we were over here. It's the big base that run for the last 100 days and more, right? Wearing a cap on top of it, meaning that the cap, which CM elegantly put above it, is where it needs just a little bit more time to build. Exactly. That's where it is. Now, we can see that there's a way for us to see evidence that that's what's about to happen. If you can see the moving from the lows, from the low of the base, move all the way, all right, on the right side, and each time it made a high, it retraced beautifully, but it continued, retraced beautifully, and continued. Exactly, one higher lows and higher highs. Beautiful. So this is no different until proven otherwise, right? So until proven otherwise, that is what's happening. But what I think will happen now, right, which has a high probability, is that we will tighten up with a VCP, CM, just do a small waves a little bit on that sideways so people can see what we mean by VCP exactly, and then continue the breakout, because it just needed a bit more time, because the right side from the low of the base came ripping up. And sometimes when on the base in such a kind of a hard penny environment, right, BTC is not moving, alt season is not coming as fast. So CAS, even though it's a high relative strength, very, very strong coin, moved so fast from the lows up until created a new all-time high, got halted just because some selling pressure, needs some more time to go sideways, build that spring, build that pressure on the right side, and then boom, go on fast to the upside, to that 10 cents or 14 or 20 cents by the end of the year. What do you think, CM?
Man, I'm with you. I'm the most bullish on Kas from all cryptos. By the way, Kas, friends, family, brothers, sisters, please like the video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and leave a comment down below. Now, I want to tell you, we have a comment from the community regarding the bearish divergence that's forming on the macro picture for Kas. Kudos to you, bro. This is very important. Yes, you can see the daily chart. Let me show you what we mean, okay? So the dude was pointing bearish divergence on the Kaspa price. Okay, so we have a higher high and a lower high on the RSI, and that's definitely a bearish divergence. Okay, now what you want to wait for is a bearish divergence confirmation. Now, for me, in order to confirm the bearish divergence, we need to make a lower low, just like JOMO said before. As long as we are in a higher high and higher low uptrend, it's okay. But once Kas, for example, make a new low below this low, you can see the low here is 32.5. Okay, if it breaks below this low, there is a probability that this was a higher high fake out or a fake out breakout, and you're gonna get a bigger pullback on Kas. It's a possibility. I'm not calling for it. Okay, and till we break below this low, I'm bullish. Okay, I'm bullish, and I'm expecting what we expect here, that we just need a little time consolidation here, and then we're going to continue higher. Okay, obviously we're gonna keep you posted on all the CAS movements, price actions, and everything we think about it. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And
Exactly.
yeah, that's basically it. Jomo, do you have anything else to add on to the Kaspa?
Look, what you said sounds good. You know, we always have the bearish side to take into account. And as I said, we always need to make sure that we understand what to look for in the charts, and what you illustrated might happen. Another thing that can happen is it go all the way to the 3 cents, bounces, created the right side of it, potential head and shoulders, and then you will know to sell it, all right? Boom, to the downside. That might happen, right? And I would say if CAS breaks, that's how it will break down. It won't break completely all the way down from these highs. It will take its time. So if we will see in the future that this builds a right side, right, a right shoulder for a potential head and shoulders, we will know to exit everything and wait for another setup. But for now, as we said, we are bullish. Now, you know, in the meantime, CM, we don't only wait for CAS. That's the beauty of it. We make more trades. Yes, we DCA into CAS for the long term. Yes, we trade CAS, but we trade more things. For example, we traded AKT just this past few days. Just in 3 days, we made almost 100% move. I know you caught it. I know we caught it in our community. Look, this is a beautiful move. Had a big 120%, even more, you know, from this consolidation sideways, and we nailed it, right? So if you want to join our community, right, we have the link for the JOMO crypto trading group in the link below, in the comments below. Join my community, and I will make sure that you will never miss CAS trades, CAS DCAing, or any other trade that we take that is a money maker. All right, we make you money on CAS, we make you money on any coin, we make huge money on altcoins. All right, AKT was a huge move, huge win. Everybody's bearish. I see people on Twitter, hey, nothing is moving, Bitcoin is gonna die, no volatility. We don't care. We don't care. We trade. Join our community. This is our Patreon. Choose whatever tier you want. With signals, right? Without signals, it doesn't matter. As long as you join into our community and make sure you learn how to take trades while everyone else is dormant. What do you think, CM?
Absolutely, guys. Join JOMO trading group just to show you the trade. That was the trade he shared in the group. They bought. You can see the blue line. That was the buy. 79. Where is AKT? AKT. That was the buy from 79. From right here. Okay. Pretty much max gain 90%. Obviously, you took profits before that. But anyway, that's an amazing way to grow your USDT or capital so you can buy more CAS on the next pullback. So if you want to join the trading group and the community of JOMO, you know where to do it. It's the link below. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate any like you give. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.